ever felt nervous or a bit scared as you approach United States immigration? Whether you're visiting as a tourist, student, or worker, entering the United States can feel stressful, even if you have all the right papers. Why? Because immigration officers will ask you many questions, and one wrong answer could cause problems or even a refusal. But don't worry. In this two-part guide, we'll break down everything you need to know to pass your interview smoothly. First, we'll cover the most common questions United States immigration officers ask and how to answer them confidently. Then, we'll review real scenarios for different visa types, so you're going to be prepared no matter your situation. Now, let's start with the common questions the immigration officer might ask you.
What is the purpose of your visit to the United States?
I'm here for a 2-week vacation to visit tourist attractions in New York and Florida.
How long will you stay?
I will stay for 14 days. Here is my return ticket.
Where are you staying?
I have a hotel reservation at the Hilton in New York for the first 5 nights. Here is my confirmation.
What do you do for work?
I work as a marketing manager at Tech Solutions in Canada. Here is my business card.
How much money do you have?
I have $2,000 in cash and 2 credit cards with a $10,000 limit.
Did you pack your own bags?
Yes, I packed my own bags and they have been with me at all times.
Are you traveling with anyone?
No, I'm traveling alone this time.
Do you have family here?
No, I don't have any relatives in the United States.
Have you been here before?
I visited California in 2022 for a business conference.
When are you leaving?
I'm departing on October 15th at 5 p.m. Here is my ticket.
Are you bringing anything to declare?
No, I'm not carrying any food, gifts, or large amounts of cash.
Tourism entry process. Good morning. May I see your passport and the purpose of your visit?
Good morning. Here is my passport. I'm visiting the United States for tourism.
How long do you plan to stay in the United States?
I plan to stay for 2 weeks.
Where will you be staying during your visit?
I have booked a hotel in Miami for my entire stay. Here is my booking confirmation.
May I see your return ticket and proof of financial means?
Of course. Here is my return flight ticket, and I have $700 in cash.
$700 for 2 weeks? That's insufficient. Do you have a credit card or bank account?
Yes, here is my card and my online bank statement showing 3,000 euros available.
Perfect. You'll be able to withdraw dollars if needed. Welcome to the United States. Family visit entry process. Good afternoon. May I see your passport and the purpose of your trip?
Good afternoon. Here's my passport. I'm visiting my sister and her husband in Seattle. We're planning a road trip to Vancouver during my stay.
What's the duration of your intended stay?
I plan to stay for about a month.
Where will you be accommodated during your visit?
I'll be staying at my sister's apartment. I can give you her full address and phone number if required.
Do you possess a confirmed return ticket?
Yes, here's my departure flight itinerary.
How will you manage your financial needs while here?
I've brought sufficient savings for daily expenses, and my sister will be covering my accommodation and main meals. I also have travel insurance that covers any medical emergencies.
I see. Everything appears satisfactory. Just to confirm, have you previously entered the United States?
Yes, I came 3 years ago for a similar family visit. I've never overstayed my visa or had any immigration issues.
Thank you for these details. Have a pleasant stay in Seattle and keep your travel documents accessible.
Thank you very much. I'm really excited about this trip. My niece's birthday is next week, so the timing is perfect.
Work visa holder, entry process, missing document issue. Good morning. Your passport and visa, please.
Here are my passport and H-1B visa.
Which company employs you?
I work for Tech Solutions in Houston, Texas. Here's my employment letter.
Your visa indicates you must provide an approved I-129 form. Where is it?
I apologize. I seem to have left it in my other baggage. Can I show you the digital copy on my phone?
No, we require the physical copy. This is a mandatory document for H-1B visa holders. Wait here. I need to consult with my supervisor. Very well. Here's your passport. Note this is an exceptional accommodation. In future, all your documents must be complete.
Thank you so much. I'll immediately request my employer to courier a new copy. I completely understand. Thank you for your flexibility.
Attended an international conference. Entry process. Welcome to the United States. May I see your travel documents and the purpose of your visit?
Thank you, officer. Here's my passport. I'm here to attend the Global Climate Innovation Forum in Boston.
Could you provide more details about this conference?
It's a prestigious gathering of scientists working on climate change solutions. Here are my registration papers and letter of invitation from the organizing committee.
How long do you intend to stay in the U.S.?
4 days. The exact duration of the conference plus 1 day for travel.
Where will you be staying during your visit?
I have a reservation at the Copley Plaza Hotel. This is my booking confirmation.
Do you have confirmed return travel arrangements?
Yes, here's my confirmed ticket on Ethiopian Airlines returning to Lagos on Friday.
For clarification, will you be receiving any payment or conducting business during your stay?
No, my participation is purely academic. I'm funded by my university and have brought financial documents to verify this.
Thank you for your cooperation, Dr. Chitty. Welcome to Boston. I hope the conference is worthwhile.
Thank you. I'm particularly excited about the keynote on African climate solutions, my area of expertise.
Exchange student entry process. Good afternoon. May I see your travel documents and the purpose of your visit?
Good afternoon, officer. Here's my passport. I'm participating in the International Business Exchange Program at New York University.
Do you have your DS 2019 form and program acceptance letter?
Yes, here they are. This includes my J-1 visa and the official admission letter.
What is the duration of your exchange program?
It's a full academic year, from September to May.
Where will you be residing during your studies?
I have a place in the university housing. Here's my room assignment and meal plan confirmation.
Your financial statements show $15,000, but your DS 2019 requires $18,000 for living expenses.
My university provided a $3,000 scholarship. Here's the official award letter that covers the difference.
Do you have your return travel arrangements?
Not yet booked, but I have a transferable travel credit from Alitalia. Here's the confirmation.
Are you aware of all J-1 visa restrictions?
Absolutely. I understand I can only work on campus up to 20 hours with proper authorization. I also know I must maintain full-time status and have health insurance coverage.
Everything checks out. Welcome to New York, Ms. Romano.
Thank you very much. I'm looking forward to experiencing American university life.
Artist visa entry process. Good morning. Purpose of your visit to the United States.
Good morning. I'm here for my art exhibition at the Miami Contemporary Gallery.
Type of art do you create?
Large-scale, mixed media installations. Here's my catalog and the gallery contract.
Duration of your stay?
3 weeks. 2 for exhibition setup and 1 for the show.
Accommodation details?
The gallery has arranged an apartment in Wynwood Arts District.
Your visa shows 5 events approved, but you only mentioned Miami.
The other 4 are in Chicago next month. I have the schedule here.
How will you support yourself?
My gallery provides stipend and sales commissions. Here's my bank statement showing funds.
Everything checks out. Welcome to Miami, Ms. Mendez.
Gracias. I'm excited to share my work with American audiences.
Student visa entry process with complication. Good morning. State your purpose for visiting.
Good morning, officer. I am enrolling for electrical engineering at University of Texas at Dallas.
Your program's start date was August 15th. Today is August 28th. This letter is dated 2 weeks ago. Why did you not travel earlier?
There were visa processing delays at the consulate in Mumbai. The university sent me a late arrival permission letter. Here is the official letter from the International Student Office approving my arrival until August 30th. I had to wait for my visa stamping. Here is my visa issuance date showing the delay.
I see. But your financial documents show $25,000 when your I-20 requires $28,000.
Please see page 2 of my sponsor letter. It includes a $3,000 university tuition.
You should have presented all pages together. This is important.
I apologize. The pages were separated during packing.
We will permit entry, but you must visit your international office within 48 hours.
I have already scheduled an appointment for tomorrow morning.
Very well. Please be more careful with your documents in future. Welcome to the United States.
Thank you. I will ensure all my paperwork is complete from now on.
Medical treatment entry process. Purpose of your visit to the United States?
I'm scheduled for cardiac surgery at Mayo Clinic in Rochester.
Duration of your medical stay?
4 weeks. 2-inch for PRE operation tests and 2 for recovery. Here's my treatment schedule.
Your medical insurance shows $200,000 coverage, but the hospital estimate is $275,000.
The difference is covered by my hospital deposit. Here's the $75,000 payment confirmation.
This receipt is from 3 days ago. Why wasn't IT submitted with initial documents?
My bank transferred the money yesterday. I have the updated confirmation here.
We need proof of post-treatment accommodation.
The hospital has arranged a medical residence. Here's the confirmation email from patient services.
You must provide surgery completion certificate before departure.
Understood. Thank you for your assistance.